What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to unzip files on your Windows PC. This process is simple and works seamlessly with Windows' built-in features. First, to unzip a file, locate the zip file you want to work with on your computer. If you're unsure whether a zip file is zipped, look for a small zipper icon on the folder, or check the file extension. It should end in .zip. Now, if you're seeing a different logo, such as the WinRAR icon or another zip2 logo, it's because you have a third-party compression software installed, like WinRAR or 7-zip. The logo will vary depending on which application is set as the default for handling zip files. But don't worry, the process to unzip files is similar regardless of the software. To unzip the file using the built-in Windows functionality, right-click the zip file. From the context menu, select Extract All. A window will pop up asking you where you want to extract the file. By default, it will extract them into a folder with the same name as the zip file in the same location. If you want to change this location, click Browse and select a different destination. Once you're ready, click Extract. Windows will then unzip the contents of the file and place them into the specified folder. If you're using software like WinRAR or 7-zip, the process is slightly different. Right-click on a zip file, and depending on the program, you'll see an option like Extract Here or Extract to the folder name. Selecting Extract Here will unzip the contents directly into the same folder as the zip file, while Extract to with a folder name will create a new folder and place the contents there. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.